Okay. So now what we want to see here, ILIKE. We spoke about ILIKE. So that's the reason we came here actually, right? So now basically you see here what happens like ILIKE and all. The point is okay. So I want to find out basically what are the names we have. Charles, Thomas, Carl, basically John. Okay, that you leave it. We'll go for birth country all or US, that's a good. Okay, we'll find out all the people who are from New York. Okay, we'll take from New York. So now my point is, what is that? Where birth city? Okay, birth city like I'll say like. I'll say like. I'll say New York. What is that? I'll make it as all New York. Though the data is there, it will not give me the data. Why? ILIKE is a case sensitive. Like is a case sensitive means it is expecting the data in the format of whatever the data is there in the table, like N and capital Y. So you need to search in the format, same format of the table data. Then only it. Okay, wait 1 second. Sorry, I'll actually have this one. Percentage. Okay. So that you got. Okay, there you got. So now my point is this. So like means anywhere in the column you have this kind of text, you will get it, but it should be case sensitive. Again, once again, when I say like, okay, right. So now this is the point. Huh? So apart from this, but I came to know, like there is another particular syntax that is ILIKE. What is this ILIKE? You do whatever you want. New York. You give whatever the data. You know that is New York. Just you go and type. In Flipkart, you will not type in capital letters. Correct. This is a case sensitive. Or in anywhere in search, case sensitive only should be there. Case insensitive should be there. So ILIKE is a case insensitive. Case insensitive. Like and ILIKE differences. And once again, so when we talk about, we know only. So now let us consider. We know we want to find out what is the physics price. What are the physics prices we have? Okay, what are the physics prices? Now this particular query, let it be like that. So what is our next motto? To search all physics Nobel Prize NPs. Yeah. So what happens? So side price, the column name should be price. Okay, price. So what I'll do? I'll say physics, because ILIKE is a case insensitive one. So many physics prizes are there. So many physics prizes are there. Okay, fine. This is fine. This is also fine. Now, let us consider. You want to elicit out what are all the in any sentence which starts which has VE. You want to find out all the rows which has VE. Okay, VE. Which has all the rows VE means I'll change it to VE. That's it. Okay. No, I have a requirement like you need to find out all the rows which starts with the second letter IS, which starts with I and third letter is S. First letter may be anything, but second letter should be IS. Second letter should be IS. So in that case, what we will do is okay. After that, anything can be there. First letter can, I don't know anything. What is that? Second letter should be IS, and after that anything. Slash percentage means anything. So that's why physics anything. Percentage means anything. think I need to add. Huh? Yeah. Can you see in all these IS will be there? Discovery. What is that? Where we said price? Yes, chemistry. Oh, like it's like IS will be there. No, IS, all IS only is there. See, in prices, all IS only there. No other prices are there. Correct? No other prices are there. So that's another point. Okay. So with we'll change it to motivation. In motivation, we have what, like first discovery in motivation. Okay. Motivation. We'll change it to first one is underscore. Second one is. No. No. See, if you give percentage, what will happen? No, percentage means anything. So before to that, you got my point. It's like anything. Okay, what happened? So now we'll go to motivation. In motivation, where and all IS is there, everything came. Everything came. So better we will go to what do you say? The countries. Okay, where two countries will have same kind of text. New York and New Byport. New Byport, right? So what is that? EW. Birth city. Okay, we'll change it to no, Albania also came. Everything came. Okay. So now if I remove this, what will happen? Okay. Now also came. The point is why? Because see, the first letter may be anything. The first letter, it means the first letter may be only the first letter. I'm saying. Okay. So let us now consider. We will not do this. We'll do again. So we'll repeat this example so that we can understand very easily. The first letter starts with okay. So now H. The second letter. Okay, the second letter is H. The second letter is H. So then physics and chemistry should come. Where in category? Where in category? So now what and all H is there? H is the physics and chemistry only will come, or anything else will come. We'll see. So first letter can be anything. First letter, only one letter. Only one letter. Starting one letter. Not all. In that case, what came? Percentage means anything, and in between first letter is anything. Not like that. First letter itself anything, but second letter starts with H. Starts with H. So now chemistry, physics only there. Anything else? Nothing else. Like that. Okay. You got it? So second letter with O. Second letter with O of full name. Or third letter with N. Double underscore. First two can be anything. First two can be anything. Third letter should be N. Where in full name? N. Third letter is N for all. Kenneth, Donald, Daniel, Ben Roy, all are okay. So like this, the search will happen. Clear? So you need to practice this. What is the ILIKE and like difference? Case sensitive. So how can I make a like as a case sensitive? Then what I should do? I should apply lower. So if I'm searching in a lower text, you should make it lower. If I'm searching in upper text, you should make upper, and you should search with an upper. You should search with upper. Okay, this also will result same only, but which will take time. This conversion will take time because you need to convert the data, whole column data into upper, and then you need to search. So as much as possible, we need to try to avoid upper and lower. So there is a purpose why we are using upper and lower, because some data may be in another data type. It may be like what do you say, lower and all a database. We need upper. We need to convert. That purpose we are using. But when we say we are using this in applications and we are using in some calculations and all, avoid it. Use like ILIKE. Clear? So from this we completed like ILIKE also, and lower and upper also. Clear?